guys.
Hi guys.
This is Aditi and this is Anita. And this is the Pinkish World by Aditi and Anita. And if you guys are new here, then this is the Pinkish World by Aditi and Anita. And I'm Aditi and this is Anita. And if you guys are not new, then welcome back. And today we're gonna be doing the volcano eruption.
This is Slimy's ready slimy.
So we're gonna be using food coloring so we can do it. Food coloring and food ingredients so the volcano eruption can be way more interesting and we'll get way more interest and I'm wanting to do this because I did this at my science fair at 2019, so it has been 2 years by now. And when my sister heard that we're going to be doing it, she was like, oh my god, I'm so excited. She literally screamed for 5 minutes straight. So first I'm going to show you what we need and then we can start. First we need is, our mother baked these, made these volcanoes. You can see they're super duper nice. My sister one is so small and it has pink inside. Not that much, so now let me show you what ingredients we need and then we can start. So first we need is baking soda. You will need a small spoon for this one. Next we need is watered food coloring. We are using watered food coloring so it could be way more interesting. Oh, and I forgot to show it to you guys how we made this. Basically, we put water first, then we put food coloring, then we mix it, and then we have water with food coloring. And then is a vinegar. So, now shall we start? So, wait. If you guys like it, then like and subscribe and share this video. And you guys can try too. All you need is this type of this type of volcano, or you could use a normal cup, baking soda with a spoon, small spoon, water with food coloring or normal food coloring, and vinegar. Vinegar is the real thing here for the experiment, or the experiment will work. So shall we try? So first we're gonna put the baking soda, and this is baking soda, not powder. So we need more than 2 spoons. Oh, so come on, do it with me. Okay, so 3 spoons. The spoon is red. I'm gonna do mine since she did hers. I'm gonna do mine. So you need 3 scoops of baking soda. Why are you angry?
Because you may use it.
Oh. Okay. All done. Now we're done with the baking powder, the baking soda. Now we're gonna put this. So we're gonna use the same spoon because we can't dump this whole over there. So you can do it by yourself. Please don't spill it. Okay, that's a little, so do more, please. We're gonna do 4 spoons, so for the food coloring, and 3 spoons for the baking soda, and 1 more. Okay, all done. But if you guys want, you can add more, baking powder or baking soda, or that's cool. Baking soda or or food coloring with water. One more.
Not more.
What?
1 more.
Now we're gonna put the vinegar. This is the moment of truth. Can you move a little bit? Thank you. comes the moment. Whoa! That is so cool! Look at that, guys! Let's put more vinegar. We put in more baking soda. Whoa, that looks so cool, guys. Wow, guys, look at that. Her one looks so cool. Let's try mine. Oh, I'm so scared it's gonna fall. Oh no. Whoa, 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 mine is erupting so much. Oh my god. Aw, are you sad? Okay. It makes weird sound. Whoa, 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 that is so cool, that is so cool, that is so cool. My mom made this with dough, like with flour, so it's a dough, but you guys can use any other surfaces. And look at hers, it looks like it's a real volcano. And mine looks like it just came from the north end. Anyways, guys, so that was the end of our video, and we'll see you guys in our next video with some more challenges. Bye, guys! Say bye. Bye. Subscribe to our channel, and we're almost heading to 100 subscribers. So please subscribe to our channel. Bye, guys.
Subscribe challenge. Yes.
Bye. Stay tuned till then. Bye, guys.
Bye.